Hello, my name is Ryan Kimura, and in this video we'll be building a SportsArt E865 Elliptical. To start off, open the box, unwrap everything, and remove all the packing materials from the provided parts. Lay out all the loose parts and unwrap them to make it easier for you to assemble. There's no blister pack of hardware since most of it is already installed on the machine. Also, most of the two-piece covers also have the screws already installed. Here's what the E865 looks like after all the packaging is removed. Carefully tilt up the display mast and screw in the bolts, but don't tighten it down yet, and I'll explain why later. Slide the chrome glide rail over the top of the wheel on the vertical swing arm. The pedal carriage will sit on top of the chrome glide arm. Secure the guide roller to the underside and tighten down. Only one side is threaded, so it can only install one direction. Next, you want to grab the stride linkage arm and install it to the vertical swing arm, and then tighten it down. The screws for the covers are pre-installed, so you gotta remove them before you install the covers. They're also universal, so there's no left and right. Remove the 4 screws that are pre-installed and then set them aside. Install the footplate with the high side on the inside and tighten down the pedal screws. Lifting up the cushions on each side gives you better access. The cushion has tags that snap into the hole on the footplate, and you can pull them down underneath to snap the cushion into place. Install the left and right support tubes, but don't tighten them down yet. This is why you don't tighten down the main frame display mast at the very beginning, because it'll be very hard to line up the holes for this step if the display mast was tightened down. Secure both left and right support tubes with the hardware, then go ahead and tighten down the display mast. Install the stationary handlebar. This is why you don't want to tighten down the support tubes until this step is completed. The holes might not line up. Tighten down the stationary handlebar and then tighten down the support tubes. The stationary handlebar covers don't have screws, they just snap together. Install both, as well as any other covers like the linkage arm covers. There are 2 fasteners per side for the stationary handle. Be sure to tighten all 4. Install the pedestal cover. Remember, these screws are pre-installed, so they'll have to remove them before you take the cover apart. Install the pedal arm covers by sliding the inside one on first. Snap together and then tighten down the screws. It helps to hold the glide rail with your knee so the pedal arm doesn't rotate on you. Install the display and be careful not to pinch any of the wires. Then tighten down all the hardware. There's not an identical connection here, so there's no way to connect it wrong. Connect all the wires and carefully tuck them down into the frame as best as you can. Slide the rubber boot up and snap the edges into place. The assembly of the elliptical is now complete. Test the elliptical for functionality and range of motion.